Hi, I'm Mary Catherine Baragary. I'm a senior mortgage banker with First Integrity Mortgage. Pay your bills on time. It's important to pay your bills on time. Any lates, especially while your loan is in process, could result in denial of your loan. Even if you have flawless credit elsewhere, this can have a negative impact on your chances for loan approval. Stay away from new credit. When you apply for new credit, it will generate a credit inquiry. Credit inquiries lower your total credit score. Lowering your credit score with inquiries or opening up new credit can change your loan approval and potentially make you ineligible for certain products or increase your rates. Review your credit report before you even consider buying a house and take a look at the credit report. If you notice something inaccurate or doesn't seem to be yours, talk with your loan officer before you take action. Often, by disputing items on your credit report, the reporting company may deem this as a blemish and possibly have a negative effect on your credit. Check with your loan officer and discuss your wants and needs with them before making any decisions on opening credit or making other purchases. It could mean the difference between a loan approval and a loan denial. Choose a lender you can talk to. Communication is a big part of obtaining a loan. Make sure that you have an officer who can interact with you during the process. A home purchase or refinance is a huge decision. You need someone you can count on to answer questions about the loan process during the process, not just pass you off to the next person. You deserve to be treated like a person, not a property address. Communication between a lender and the borrower is extremely important during the mortgage process. Would you prefer to have a loan officer in the same time zone as the processor on your loan? How about the same state? How about the same city? How about the same building? How about having the ability not only to have a face-to-face conversation with your loan processor, but the underwriter as well? That is what we can do at First Integrity Mortgage. We communicate with you and we communicate with them one-on-one. It is not about being bigger, it's about being better. Did you know you can get a house with as little as 20% down payment? Many people still think you can't buy a house without a large down payment. We have loan programs with low down payment and some no down payment. Talk to your loan officer about your personal situation to determine what is the best down payment option for you. Want to buy a house, but you are short on money for a down payment? We have a loan program with no down payment requirements, 3% down payment requirements, and 3.5% down payment requirements, all the way up to 20% down and beyond. Not only that, you may be eligible for down payment assistance programs, which can be used toward these programs. Have the conversation with your loan officer and see if you qualify. Let them know your needs before you put an offer in a home and get the right loan for you. If you are buying a home, get pre-approved. A true pre-approval includes providing evidence of your job, income, and assets. The evidence is pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, and possibly more. These items are the building block of your loan approval and are necessary in today's loan market. Did you serve in the United States military? Did you serve in the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, or Coast Guard? If so, then you may be eligible to use the VA benefits to buy a home using arguably the best loan program available. Most VA loans do not require down payment and do not have monthly mortgage insurance. This can increase your buying power significantly or save money versus the FHA or conventional loan programs. Veterans, did you know that you can pull up to 100% of equity out of your home? The VA will allow you to do a cash out on your mortgage up to the full appraised value if you need money to make renovations, pay off high-cost credit card debt, or anything else. If you are a veteran, the VA is in your corner. Power Plus. Remember these two words. Do you want to buy a house with less than 20% down payment and do not want to pay mortgage insurance? This is the loan for you. The Power Plus loan offers low down payment options and low rates. It's the best of both worlds. More Power Plus. Do you want to buy a $230,000 house, but you can only get pre-approved for $200,000? Check out the Power Plus. By eliminating the high cost of monthly mortgage insurance, you can expand your buying power by keeping the same approximate house payment. It's a win-win for you. You get the house you want with the payment you need. Are there questions you have about the mortgage business that I have not covered? Mortgages are very complicated, and it takes an expert to help you navigate this crazy world of buying or refinancing home. Let me know what questions you have, and I will help you with the answers. Obtaining a mortgage is something most people do 2, 3, 4 times in their life. Having experts navigate you through the mortgage process is the way to go. We are experts at what we do. We are licensed, and we are required to take continuing education every year to maintain our licensing. We take it seriously when we say we want your closing to be a celebration. We want it done right the first time.